Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share my scorecard of SBI CLERK pre mock test. So let me tell you what are my scores. So I have given memory based that mock test of 2021. It is memory based paper of 2021 and I have scored 75.5 marks out of 100 and my accuracy is 92.78 and percentile is 93.02. So in this mock test I have given this mock test because I don't want to waste you will say waste, but yeah, I don't want to waste my the mock test which I have purchased. So I'm giving memory based mock test of all the mocks available in the market. So I'm giving only memory based mocks because there is a time for the exam. So if I will attend the whole mock test now, then I think I will not get sufficient mock for practice during the time period of exam before 1 month prior to the exam. So I'm thinking of just just attempting memory based mocks of all the mock tests available in the market, and then I will attempt the sectional mocks and all these mocks so that my speed will be maintained and I will win the race. So that's why I'm doing this, because if I there are only 20 mocks available in each mock series. So if I will do these mock now, so I will not be able to attempt I will not be able to purchase more mocks during the time period of exam. So that's why I'm not attempting. Yeah, I'm attempting last year's that as even SBI PO Ibps PO mocks, because I'm not taking that the easy level or difficult level. I'm getting mocks for free, so I'm attempting them so that my practice should be maintained, and I'm attempting mocks daily. So let me tell you my sectional scores. So I got in English language I got 16.5 marks. In numerical ability I got 24 marks, and in reasoning I got 35 out of 35 marks. So I attempted this mock yesterday. I attempted this, and now I'm gonna show you today's mock. It was there are four memory based mocks available of different shifts of 2021 exams. So I'm gonna share with Clerk memory based that I have attempted today. So guys, in this mock I got 79.75 marks, and I have attempted 86, out of which I think 5 were wrong. So I got 79.75 marks, and the percentile is 93.27%. And let me show you my sectional score. So in English language I got 24. So I think in English language in this mock in yesterday's mock my scores in English was not that much good. In English language today I scored 24 marks, which is quite decent to score in numerical. But now today in numerical ability I have I got 20.8 marks, which is also not good. If I could score 25 marks or above of that, so I will improve, and about that I will see about that what to do next. So and in reasoning ability 35 out of 35 I got. So in reasoning I think my in reasoning usually I got good marks because my reasoning section is my strong section, but and I'm improving in English also. But sometime in mock test I do blunder in quant section or in English section, so I have to just ignore these mistakes. And if I will ignore these mistakes, so I think I could get above 85. So I will next time I will ignore these mistakes which I have done in this mock test. So percentile, we can say percentile is quite good, but it is not that much good. I could score 95 plus percentile. So I will see my mistakes and do better in next mock which will be available. So I have attempted 29 questions in English, out of which I think 4 was incorrect, and in quant section I think 1 was incorrect, and in reasoning I got 35 out of 35. So I will see these mistakes, and let me tell you the accuracy. So accuracy is 94.19, which is also good. I have to maintain accuracy. Even I'm attempting less, but accuracy should be the high priority, because if you are not maintaining accuracy and if you are attempting 85 to 90 questions, so that will be beneficial for you. You have to even if you are attempting 80 questions and if you are doing all 80 questions correct, so I think it will be beneficial for us. So I will next time I will see these mistakes and I will not attempt these mistakes. I will not do these mistakes again. So next time I will do better than this, and I think next time I will try to score 85 plus, and I will practice more. There are I want to share you one thing, that in Oliboard there are speed tests. There is something like speed test. So in which you will get 15 seconds for each question. They will give you section wise, even topic wise questions. So you have to attempt those questions, and you will get 15 seconds for each question, which are easier. And for the lengthy question they give 30 seconds. So for and by doing this, I think the speed will be maintained, and we can do questions more fast. So I will try these all these things to speed to boost up my speed, so that I can score 85 plus marks, and 90 plus. Even scoring 90 plus will be better, because last time the cutoff was unexpected, and this time we don't know how much it will increase or what will be the vacancies and all. So we have to work hard so that we can get good marks, and we will not care about cutoff. If it is 81, so we have to gain 85 plus score. We have to get 90 plus score, so that we are in safe zone. So best of luck all, and always daily practice simplification, approximation, and quadratic equation number series, because in these sections you have to maintain your speed. Then I think you will get 90 plus marks, because in quant section simplification, if you will do simplification, approximation, and that number series and all fast, then I think your calculation speed will increase, and in DI also you will get the question very fast. So try to maintain the speed. So next time I will make a to-do list, that how I am preparing, and if you want daily to-do list, so comment down. I will share with you how I am preparing daily. So thank you all.